Welcome to our guide on protecting your TV from outdoor humidity. As outdoor entertainment spaces gain popularity, safeguarding your TV outside against humidity and moisture is crucial. Outdoor humidity can damage electronic devices like TVs, leading to condensation and corrosion. The TV Shield offers a revolutionary solution, designed to protect your TV from outdoor elements, including humidity. Constructed from durable materials with weatherproof seals, it creates a protective barrier against moisture, ensuring your TV stays safe and dry. Packed with features for maximum protection, the TV Shield's weatherproof design guards against humidity, rain, dust, and insects. Built-in cooling fans regulate temperature and prevent condensation or overheating in outdoor environments. Installation is easy, with simple mounting options to fit any outdoor space. Minimal maintenance involves a quick wipe down to remove dust and debris. Visit our website to view our satisfied customers who are happy with the TV Shield's effectiveness in protecting their TVs from outdoor humidity. Enjoy worry-free entertainment in any weather with the TV Shield. Visit our website to learn more and protect your TV from humidity.